You guys see all this blue beach, aka Ironwood? I don't have any of this at home. It's pretty fascinating stuff. Here's some nice seasoned one right here. I'm just back looking for some paper birch. I don't have any birch at home. You can see I collected a little here. Good for fire starting. But this blue beech, or Ironwood, is all over in here. Beech can really take over a mixed hardwood. Still a few cherries and the occasional oak, but mostly this blue beech. Never burnt Ironwood before, so just for something to do, I think I'm gonna take this down. I think I can put it right between those two trees. Actually, better off going on that side of it. I don't want to be beating on it too much. It could bust off. But I'm gonna put a quick notch in there with the old council tool, Hudson Bay, and then cut it from the back with the saw. See how she goes. I stump it right there. Up a little. All right, I'm gonna quit pissing around there and get it from the back. That's about it. She's gonna have to go. Now I'm just gonna buck this up into about 6-foot sections and take it home so I have firewood next time. Here's where that silky feature actually comes in handy. Most of the time I hate it. Shit is hard. All right, I think I can carry these out of here now. These would be good to build with. They're solid, fairly straight, but not heavy. When they're dried, they're surprisingly light. I don't know how rot resistant they are, but they definitely make good firewood. Not a half bad looking stump, eh? Blue skies for the moment. Probably be off and on again. Flick. A dove in the background. And let that cook as the sun sets and the fire dies down. It'll be delicious. on man in the universe. Yep, that's me, just sitting here watching the world go by, trying to figure it out. I spent most of my 20s trying to figure out the meaning of it all. Just go down that rabbit hole forever and ever. Very intense when I was in my 20s. I'm much more relaxed now. Which is a better way to be, I think. All right.